Hey guys, I am about to unbox my package from ROH Wrestling. They had a Black Friday deal, 50% off of everything. I think it was. So I bought some 2020 wrestling DVDs before the national shutdown. Here it is. This is the 5 shows they did before the national shutdown. February. I don't know. Saturday night at Center Stage. January 11th, Atlanta, Georgia. Here it is. Here's the back. Let me give you guys a match. POC versus Rush. The World 6-Man Tag Team Championship match. The Villain Enterprise versus Mesco Squad. Here it is. That's one. And now I'm just going to show you this. Here's one. This is from January 12th, 2020. Gateway to Honor. Here's one of them. This one, Dragon Weave versus Dark. I'm sorry. Dragon Weave versus I don't know how to say that name. I don't want to say it because I don't want to mess it up. This is from February 28th, 2020. Pac versus Dragon Lee. Here's the matches. That looks pretty cool. The Free Enterprise, February 9th. Saturday, February 9th. Here it is. And here it is, guys. Here's my 5 wrestling DVDs. I ordered from Black Friday. You guys have a good day. Take care. Wash your hands. Tell me what match I should look out for on ROH. It could be present. It could be past. Alright. Tell me which one. Because I'll find it on YouTube and I'll watch it. Have a nice day, guys. Take care.